Hey guys, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make like little squishies just out of shaving cream. I already made a couple like that, and first it was kind of messy, but of course eventually I got used to it. And look at these are a bunch of balloons that I'm going to fill up, but I'm probably just going to do 3 balloons for this video. So let's get started. So you want to go like this, then pinch it on the top, and then it's out shaving cream. That's why it does that noise. Then you want to take it out. It's kind of like putting air in a balloon, but instead of shaving cream. Oh, if you let go, it's gonna explode. Now I'm going to go wash the balloon and my hands and tie it in the restroom. So I've done my big squishy. I only have green and white, so this is kind of like a peach. Okay. So if you guys want to do tiny ones, okay, I was going to teach you guys how to make a small one, but it didn't happen. Yes, I know I have shaving cream on my face. Why is it so hard to tie it? Oh, okay. There's a bunch of air. Oh! It's like a science experiment. Okay, I'm actually going to wash my hands. Oh my god. Look at all this waste. I wish I could put all this in a balloon. Okay, so here's a tiny one. You guys should not put net because, well, it isn't a good idea. Well, it just pops one out. See? Even with the big ones, don't do it because it'll maybe pop. So I wouldn't recommend putting it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make humongous ones. Let me go get the other bottle of shaving cream. Yeah, now I'm going to teach you guys how to make humongous ones. You do the same. All you do is press it a lot. Wait, what? Shaving cream all over. At least I got this. There's a hole. Oh, it's a cyst from Pimple Popper. It's so cool, guys. This is so cool. I love Pimple Popper. First, let's play with this, and then I could throw in the trash, wash my hands, and all that. Oh, it's going over. I wish I had a mask. Oh! Okay, let me go wash my hands and all that because I'm the Pimple Popper. So, guys, since that didn't work, I'm going to do another one. Oh my god, this is even bigger. This little pimple. Oh! That was epic. That's how I said it. Okay, guys. I wouldn't recommend like squishing it because it'll pop. I would just recommend doing this. Or like playing with it because it's bouncy. These things are bouncy. Bye guys. I hope you guys have a good day. Hope you guys like the squishies. And share the piece and bye.